pursuit. All right, 38 car running strong, looking for someone to hit. Oh, just missed him. Just missed. The 38 just missed Jeremy Edwards, Chris Wehunt. Here comes the 58 with a head of steam. Matt Stewart. Boom! Oh! And that may have cost Matt more than he was planning, because the 38 of Chris Wehunt was right there. You see those guys with a full head of steam. That's awfully fast. Wehunt gets hit. 49 car. That's Estrada. And Estrada makes his way around after he puts in a good leg. I don't know what he's got under the hood, but that thing's got a motor in it. Oh, he just put a lick on the law right there. Yeah. The only place you can get away with doing that is right here. But, like I said, I don't know what Matt Stewart has under the hood, but it is amazingly fast. And Estrada gives him a little pop right in the radiator, and that is not good, but apparently it don't matter to the 58 car. I don't need no stinking 49. He should have on the side of that car, it should say Matt Stewart Tractor Works. Yeah, he's going to need to get bumped.